Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be guiding you on how to create a speed ramp effect on your desktop using the Capcut software. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Firstly, open your Capcut application and import your desired video clip. For today's tutorial, I've rearranged my video clips on the timeline. Next, select a video clip and navigate to the speed section. Here, you'll see an option for curve. Click on that and select bullet. From here, you will see a graph. What we want to do is remove the first and fourth circles from this graph. That's how we create that smooth effect. To do this, select the circle marking on the graph, then hit the minus sign, located right next to the redo button. Now, to fine-tune your video clip, locate the box next to the smooth slow-mo and click it. Expand the frame blending and then select optical flow. Do that for all your video clips. Once that's done, let's add the pull-in transition. Navigate to the transition section, click camera, and then select pull-in. You can tweak transition parameters for your preference. For this clip, I'm reducing the transition duration from 0.5 seconds to 0.4 seconds. It's all about the perfect timing. Do that for all your video clips. Now it's time for some sound effects. If you're unsure what would work best for this transition, I've got a perfect suggestion, the Woosh with Echo sound effect. It's right here in Capcut's sound effects library. Under the audio section, look for Woosh with Echo and add it in every transition you have. It should look like this. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.